ask you, Labourites, how could a country reward the People's National Party for the destruction that they brought to Jamaica over that 18 years that they were in power? How could we forget that and allow them to come back into power and destroy this country again? It will never happen. We have heard them. We have heard them with promises, lots of promises. Every solution in the world. In fact, they don't wait on anything official to come out. If the Star says that a man go to the bush and relieve himself, the People's National Party will announce a policy the next day. Say this policy is to stop man from going bush to relieve themselves. That is how they are. No rhyme, no rhythm, nothing at all but empty promises, seeking to sway people to come back to the destruction that they wreaked on us for nearly 20 years. The people who created FinSAC cannot be the ones to lead Jamaica